Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we dive in, quick disclaimer. This video just for an educational and informational purpose only. Always do your own research before you securing your assets. If you have been in crypto for any length of time, you know the golden rule. Not your keys, not your coins. In this video, we will be checking DCENT card as well as recovery card. These two cards will help you to save and access your DCENT wallet. We will be checking complete unboxing video in this video, as well as how to set up this card, how to secure crypto assets using these cards. Everything will be explained in this video, so stay connected with us. Now let's get started. DCENT is here, the card wallet with a backup card built in, 25% off. Right now, if you purchase this card, you can save up to $15 here. Original price is $59, but right now sale is ongoing with $44. If you want to reduce some price, you can check the link which is available in the video's description. Exchanges can fail, phones get lost, and cloud's backups can get breached. Self-custody is the safest way to protect your crypto, but for a lot of people, hardware wallets can feel overly complicated. That's where the brand new DCENT S comes in. This is Seek credit card, cold sized. You can see this is battery free completely. Instantly you can connect this card via NFC on your smartphone. Okay, I will show you how to connect your cards with your smartphone and access your wallet. You just tap it to your phone and you are connected. Now let's get started with unboxing video. You can see on the screen, card wallet is completely wrapped in this box, and inside this box we will get two cards over here. First one is the DCENT card and second one is the recovery card. You are going to access your funds using these both cards. Suppose if you lose ever first one card, your recovery card is still accessible with you. That's why these both cards are very much important if you are creating your wallet using these both cards, right? Because first one is the creating your wallet, second one is the recovering your wallet. Card size is like credit card, you can access anywhere, right? Inside this box, two cards are placed here. Now I'm going to show you how to connect with your smartphone. First of all, we need to open DCENT application over here. You can see on the screen, my screen is shared, and then we have multiple options to register a wallet. Inside this card wallet, if you are already logged into the card wallet using any biometric wallet, which is also comes from DCENT wallet, but right now we are connecting this DCENT card. That's why we need to add a card wallet, and after that we need to process the next step. Here's the process how card wallet connection works here. Simply tap card on your phone, it will detect in a second, and afterwards we have to secure our card wallet using the pin as well. That's why we need to enter pin here. Once you are done, simply continue the same process with the recovery card. If you lose anywhere first one card, second card is free to access with you. That's why always carry one card with you, and you can store the recovery card in a safe place. You don't need to back up your seed phrases because this card itself is working as the seed phrase recovery. That's a good thing, right? Most card wallets leave you with a single point of failure. If you lose the first one card, wallet is completely lost here. With the DCENT S, you are in a complete different place, because here if you lose the first one card, second one is free to access with you, and your cryptos are safe if you have at least one card, 2 out of 1. Highlighted secure points, EAL 6+ certified bank grade chip. You can completely check this information on the page of the product. Plus it supports over 4900 plus tokens across more than 100 networks, so you will not miss any type of assets on this wallet. It's ultra compact, fits right into your wallet, and handles extreme temperatures from -30 to 50 degrees Celsius. If you are looking for a simple portable way to take control of your crypto, the DCENT S is officially live. Right now you can get full kit for $44, which is 25% off on the regular price. Let me know in the comments, how do you currently back up your crypto keys. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews. In last video I have shared the key points of this wallet without getting the card. I hope today's episode was helpful for you. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.